In this tutorial, I am going to show you the solution for error MySQL shutdown unexpectedly. So the solution is really simple. First of all, we are going to close this. Then we'll go to where we have downloaded MySQL. So for most of the case, you will install MySQL in local disk C. So here you need to look for the XAMPP. Here you can see XAMPP folder. So you need to go inside XAMPP, and inside XAMPP you will see this MySQL folder. So go inside MySQL. After that, here you can see we have a data folder. So first of all, we are going to rename this folder to data_old. Then we are going to create one more folder. So I'm going to create a folder, and this folder name will be data. Okay, after that we'll go inside this data_old folder. Then I'm going to select all the folders from here, and then I'm going to also select a file from here, which is ibdata_on, which is this file. So just click on Ctrl and choose this file as well. Then just copy those files. So I'll just copy those. Then I'll go back, and this time we'll go inside the data folder that we just created, and we're going to paste all those folders and files. And there you can see. So after that, we need to go back again, and this time we'll go to the backup folder. So let's go inside backup, and from here we're going to select every folders and file except this folder ibdata_on. Then we're going to copy the files. So Ctrl C. Then we'll go back, and we'll go back to our data folder, and we are going to paste the files and folder over here. Ctrl V, and we're going to click this replace the files in the destination, and it's done. So right now we can close this, and let's go and open XAMPP. So here you can see XAMPP control panel, open it, and this time if we click on Apache start and MySQL start, there you can see there is no error right now. So our MySQL is running properly. So this is how we can solve your problem. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.